Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all did good yesterday, ending up in green. I did pretty well. It was a slow day, though. I was trading small volume as well. So right now, as of now, for me, the most important chart is the monthly chart, as we are a couple of days in left in the month. Uh, this 198 is a 50% pullback from this bull bar, like what we had for the last month. To understand the monthly chart, there is very important. We have to understand the daily chart here. In a daily chart, we have our support, which is about 205ish, which I have it yesterday as well. And you can see we kind of poked it, and like we bounced back from there. And right now, we can see from this support. It's a very good risk reward ratio for the bulls. They might try to take the next leg up and trade around this area. This is our major resistance of the range. We are already in the very strong 7 month range over here, but if we go to NDX, which is very important to understand, if we go to NDX, we are already at the high of the range, and we are lagging, the price action is lagging. We can poke through this, and then we can see a very bad pullback here. Let's go to SPY. As of now, for me, I think we can still see a bull leg, like a couple of legs up. But we have a Fed meeting today, I believe, and this is end of the month candle. In a couple of days we're gonna have profit takers in. So a lot much going on in the market right now. That's why we have very small candles as well. That means like it's not been heavily traded. Most of the traders are waiting for the Fed decision, the Fed meeting, and end of the month candle, and we are at the high of the range. The buyers always, if you see, if on a bigger picture, this is a bigger picture. In a bigger picture, we are almost at the high of the range. So at the high of the range, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, most of the times, buying pressure, buying action goes away. Like we miss that kind of action. We miss the buyers in the market. Reason nobody wants to. Whoever is looking at as a trading range, which most of the people are, most of the pro traders, they just trade support and resistance. They want to take a position, a bull position, once they see a clear breakout, like over here. Let me, like over here we saw a clear picture, and next day see how we gapped up, and we're not falling behind that. But over here, this guy here also tried to poke through the resistance, but it failed. At that time it was like 200ish. It failed, and we see the next leg down. So at the end of the day, it for a bigger picture, for majority of the traders, it's all about support, resistance, and price action. So for me right now, I think, like on a bigger time frame, that is what I'm looking here. So we can see somewhat up here about 210 to 11ish, and next leg down, and this is the 50% pullback from the last month. So 50% pullback. Sometimes we'll let it happen. Most of the trading range price actions, we always see a bigger pullback, and then we go back to the high of the range. Bigger pullback, go back to the high of the range. So right now we should wait for the monthly candle. I think we are overbought. Either we're gonna get into a trading range here, or we can see a pullback very soon. Let's go to the 5 minute chart here. If you see this chart here, let me tell you that how easy, if once we know our price action is, how easy this thing gets. How predictable, probability predictable this thing get. Okay. I mean, 1, 2, 3 push down, then bull leg. 1, 2, 3 push down, then bull leg. It's a wedge, same kind of a start. Every day, most of the days, we get trading range, we get trading range, we get trading range. Okay, there you go. I mean, my only thing is that most of the days are trading very similar, like because there are, I mean, it's a price action. I'm making a video on it so that like everybody can understand that what I'm trying to say here. But most of the days it's just a price action. You need to understand major trend reversals and wedges and triangles. You can just draw your channels and everything like like here, like here. So it gets very easy, once you know the price action, once you know what you're doing, it gets very easy. And my thing is, if we make it very simple, if we make it very easy, if we make it very less complicated, more better for us. During the day trading or during the swing trading, the most of the losses are made when we get emotional, when we think, okay, no, it's going down, it's going up, it's going against us. It's all going to happen because we are getting emotional, and after we just close our position, we see, okay, that's what happened, that's what I was thinking. This is going to the same direction which I was thinking. So we have to put our emotions down, and we have to trade technical, we have to trade price action, support, resistance, no indicators, no moving averages, nothing. Just make it very, very simple, and we can make a lot of money out of it. So how would I be taking my day today? I think that it's a very, you see, after the close, it's a very neutral day. There is no movement at all, after market, pre-market. So I'm gonna wait for the Fed meeting and then decide what happens today. Like overall very neutral. We are again in a trading range. Possibility is for the bulls. If we go to the daily, possibility is that we can bounce from this support today, and we can see a next bull leg up, and soon we can see like the pullback. But if you go to the weekly chart, which weekly is closing very soon, I weekly easily tells you that there are chances that we can reverse back, and like weekly is telling you that we can reverse back and give us some kind of bull body here. So overall, I think like today's day will be very important for us, and kind of a bull. We can see we are overbought already, and next month is coming for the next leg down. I'm planning to short the market. I have some SQQ with me. I will be adding some more, and WDR I have bought. It's a very good bottoming candidate. It's a very good bottoming candidate, and I'm invested in this guy with a very good stop loss entry. Like I'm hoping to make some good money out of this. So let's see what market have for us. As you all know from my Twitter account, that I'm starting the webinar. I'll be trading live every morning with you guys from 9 to 4, and I will not be saying that I have bought or I have sold. What I will be saying is that what the market probabilities are. I don't want to feed a fish. I want everybody to know how to do fishing. So you can be in the webinar for a month, and after that you don't need me. Because most of the days it's just the same price action. So why need me? Why pay anybody? Why do all that when you can do the same thing what I'm doing? So good luck, everybody. I hope to see you soon on my Twitter account. Let's quickly wrap up for my today's day. I think today is a very neutral day. We have a support here. We have a pre-market support here, which will be my price to look. We have a resistance here. We can see the resistance, which is 207 today, because at the end of the day we will be fading out at the end of a month. So we can see some kind of fade here. So this is the support, very neutral. I'll wait for 15 to 30 minutes. It can be very confusing price action early morning, and then we can get some stabilized price action like this, like a trading range or a breakout mode or something. Maybe we get a couple of trades today for 4 to 5 points on E-mini. So let's see what we have for today. Good luck, everybody. Bye bye.